everybody, welcome back. This time we're looking at Doge, because when you look at Doge today, we are down by 3.23%, which doesn't seem too good on the surface, but zoom out to the past 5 days and it's really not too bad. Zoom out to the past month and you will see things are looking really good. We are actually coming back from those lows in the month, which were down here. I would say around 19.6, so we are coming back from that. Again, the question is, where do we go now with Doge? Are we going to see another breakout soon? It is absolutely possible, especially when you look at the entire crypto market. Things are pushing up again, Bitcoin is climbing, so we're going to be talking about all of that in this video. Again, it's going to be a relatively quick one, mainly looking at the technical analysis side of things, but if it sounds good, of course, leave a like and subscribe. The usual stuff does apply, guys. Remember, this is not financial advice. I am not a financial advisor, and you need to do your own research before making any decisions. On top of that, guys, like I said, if you can subscribe, it would be appreciated. We're trying to push up to 12.8. And one last thing I want to mention is that we are actually running a fundraiser for Save the Children right now. You can donate around this video, somewhere around the video. If you're watching this one on mobile, it will be just above the title. But yeah, if you can make a small donation, you will be helping the cause. We're trying to give away as much as we possibly can by Christmas Eve to obviously have a positive impact for Christmas for some children. But yeah, now we're going to dive into the video and look at this crypto and what we're seeing for this and this space in the past day, the past 5 days, and also the past month. So for this one, we're going to start off on Doge on the simple charts. You'll see one thing is apparent. On the 1 day, yeah, we are moving down. We started off at midnight, actually, on a price of 24.6. Now, from there, we are dropping to where we are now at 24.3. So like I said, it's only a small drop. It's not too big of a deal, in my opinion. And the past 5 day chart is looking okay. We're up on that, which is nice. We had a massive spike up on Monday going into Tuesday. This took us to highs at 27. Now, since then, unfortunately, we have dropped back down. But it's alright, though, because we are still consolidating nicely at this level above 23, getting into 24, which is fantastic. And again, consolidation continuing at 24 today, which is tremendous and wonderful. Now, the past month chart, like I said, is looking relatively good too. We started to drop at the beginning of the month, but since then, we hit lows down here, which was on the 29th of September at 19.6 or 7, like I said. And from there, we've been growing ever since. We hit highs for the first time up here at 25, if not 26. And from that point, we did take a little bit of a drop as people perhaps are taking profits and whatnot, but we actually had a second run, like I said, just a day or so ago, which took us up to much higher than that at 26 or 27, so I'm very happy to see that. So, again, today is consolidation, and looking from where we were on the 13th of October, you could literally draw a line through that upwards. Things are moving up, which is fantastic and really good to see, especially with Doge, because when you look at Doge on CoinMarketCap, which of course tracks a lot of the main cryptos, when you look at Doge over the past while, you will see, if we just find it out here, it's going to be somewhere down here, you'll see it's not really following the trend as strongly as some of the others. Yes, it has had its unique breakout up here, but look to a few of the other cryptos like Bitcoin and you will see it isn't really following that big upwards trend that we have noticed in the past 7 to 14 days with Bitcoin. So get Bitcoin up and you will see we had a similar breakout. You know, Doge's one was a bit more volatile, but really Bitcoin has been stepping up more significantly in the past 14 to 20 days, if you will. And the same can be said actually for Ethereum and a few of the others. So I think we could be coming to a point now where Doge absolutely could be due a run up. So what I want to do is look at a few of the technical indicators, then talk about what I think could be coming next for Doge. We're not going to have a look at the 1 day because, as I often say, I don't think it plays too much relevance. And again, I'm trying to make this video as quick and simple for you guys as possible. But when things come out to the past 5 day, it's looking alright because we're almost sat exactly on that moving average, which is always a good sign. It shows that we have had that time to consolidate, like I said, and again, the chart does show that as well. We've had a bit of a breakdown from that consolidation, but then we pushed up again, so we're coming back to the same level, which is always going to be a good thing. The RSI for this time is at 46, so it's only 4 points from neutral, which is always going to be very good too. We're seeing the trend on the MACD becoming bullish as time has gone. It was significantly more bullish, then it dropped to be more bearish, but now it could be coming back, as you can see from this stark rise. And on the past month, again, this is the all-inclusive data. It shows us that we are moving above that moving average right now. We crossed below it for a little while yesterday, but now we're crossing over that 50-day MA again, becoming more bullish on it, which is always a good sign. Volume for today is nowhere near as high as it was for yesterday. Realistically, we want to see that continue to step up, as it shows that people are still interested in Doge and are continuing to trade in Doge. So again, Yesterday I can understand the reasons why we had that spike up, but we do want to see volume continuously step into Doge as time does go on. The RSI for this time period is at 55. Again, 55 is really good. It's only 5 away from neutral, so it is where we want to be, and I'm happy with it. The trend on the MACD is also fairly neutral because of this consolidation, but it is becoming a little bit more bullish as time does go on, which again is really nice, and it does show that we could potentially be seeing a bit of a bullish trend appearing. But one thing that I can tell you with Doge, we do appear to, or at least it does appear to be the case, that we are having a bit of difficulty breaking above 25. You will see that we had somewhat similar difficulties around this period here, which I'm highlighting with the mouse. We had some trouble back then trying to break past 25, and now we do appear to be hitting the same thing again. So clearly you can see a few wicks both here and notably here as well. We have broken past it, don't get me wrong, but we can't appear to get past it and stay past it and consolidate past it. That's what we want to be looking for in the next 2 or 3 days in my opinion. Again, the other cryptos are seeing a rise, and I do not think that Dogecoin is in a bad position right now. I think it's in a very good place, and I think this one could be due a breakout, certainly above 25 from now. And again, get above 25, consolidate above 25, and we'll just have to see what comes next. Again, this is more of a short-term approach, but I think Doge definitely could be due a run-up very soon. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you all soon. Goodbye.
Thank you for watching through till the end, but let me tell you about our Discord. So on your screen you will be seeing the N2S Finance Discord. Obviously it is split into multiple sections. Basically at the top we have updates from me and all that kind of good stuff. If you scroll down a bit further we have the main sections where we focus on cryptos, SPACs and other hot stocks including penny stocks, even stable growth stocks as well, and we even have a special AMC GME chat. If you scroll down you can see some research and DD from the community. We also have funny memes and you can see actual contributions from members down here. And again, if you do join us, it is completely free, link is down below. But if you do want to become a Patreon, you will actually get a pink sticker which will be displayed on your name. So your name will come up in pink as mine comes up in red down here, and that will show that you are a Patreon. But other than that, guys, you can join completely for free down below. You do not have to pay anything if you do not want to. Thank you for watching, see you soon.